Alright guys, I thought we've already seen all the best sneaker releases from Jordan this year, but then this dropped. Christmas 2023 beckons, and the quest is on to find festive kicks that encapsulate the holiday spirit. While you might be tempted to opt for a blatantly Christmassy shoe, the Air Jordan 38 Celebration presents a tastefully elegant option. This vibrantly designed sneaker blends subtle hues of red and white, evoking the charm of a snowy Christmas without seeming too showy. Ready for a closer peek? The shoes are adorned in a holiday-ready mix of white, university red, metallic gold, and black, neatly reflecting the core colors of the Christmas season. Starting off with the white textile base that embellishes the midfoot collar and heel, this neutral background is beautifully offset by the vibrant university red. This bold shade can be spotted on the toe, tongue, and eye stays, seamlessly incorporating the Christmas spirit into this sneaker's design. This vivid color further extends onto the insoles and collar embroidery, offering a stark yet pleasing contrast against the crisp white backdrop. But it's not all about style. This shoe also tells a story, with embroidery on its upper meant to celebrate Michael Jordan's illustrious career. The collar of the shoe boasts 41 cross stitches, each stitch representing Jordan's remarkable average of 41 points per game during the legendary year of '93. 3 diamonds are intricately incorporated onto the medial side of the shoe, symbolizing the remarkable third NBA title victory of the Chicago Bulls. Exquisite branding details are skillfully incorporated in a profound shade of black. The legendary Jumpman emblem is prominently featured on the tongue, insole, and heel, whilst a golden logo embellishes the back of the tongue, honoring Jordan's '93 championship triumph. Elsewhere, a pair of speckled black and white laces adorn the shoe, nicely pulling together its overall color scheme. However, if you wish to test the bounds of Christmas creativity any further, you can switch these out for emerald green laces instead. Finalizing the look is a clean white and black midsole combined with red TPU structures near the toe and midfoot. The sneaker also features a semi-translucent rubber outsole scattered with gold glitter for that extra festive shimmer. A quick peek at the underbelly of the sneaker reveals distinctive red and black elements of the midsole alongside a striking gold motif. This central detail takes inspiration from Jordan's iconic 23 jersey number, repeated to create an intriguing floral pattern. This feature is underscored by radiant red Jumpman emblems that confidently frame the central design. The Air Jordan 38 Celebration is not merely a pair of sneakers. It's a testament to Michael Jordan's legacy and, unexpectedly, a perfect fit for the holiday season with its vibrant color scheme. If this striking sneaker has caught your eye, you can pick up a pair of the Air Jordan 38 Celebrations at $200 US. Visit sneakerfortress.com for more amazing sneaker drops. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to us right here on YouTube too.